What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. If you're new, welcome to the channel. And welcome to this new video on XRP, which I wanted to cover because I'm covering some of the bigger cryptos today. Just covered Ethereum, which I hadn't covered in a while. Also covered Avalanche or AVAX. Now also covering XRP. I think XRP is one of the most important cryptos right now. Obviously, it has been around for one of the longest periods of time in the crypto market, which is an achievement in itself. Apart from that, there's also still a lot of potential for XRP, both on the long term, but also on the short term. If you're looking at their SEC lawsuit and stuff, there's definitely possibilities to make money even in a bear market on XRP. So I'm not saying you will from this video, but still wanted to take a look at it, see what's happening. I mean, as you can see, nothing much is happening. It's up 2.6%, but against the market, that's average. Volume is relatively well. It's just normal at 1 billion. 6.5% for these big cryptos is actually quite standard, right? Sometimes if it's over 10%, that's a lot. If it's under 4%, that's kind of low. So if we take a look at XRP for now, some more interesting things are actually going on the chart. And I've already seen this the last couple of days with Bitcoin from 19,000 going up to 20,500. The market on the short term is actually relatively bullish. And you should know that I said on the short term. On the longer term, it's obviously very bearish, but still. Usually what we do right here is short-term analysis. But it's actually quite interesting because that's also what's happening with XRP. We found resistance at this 100 EMA. As you can see, but we are already testing it again, so I think that's a great sign above. Apart from that, you can also see that we have found some sort of a bullish market structure with higher lows along the way. So what I think is going to happen next is I think we're actually going to touch this resistance level, or the upper bound of the resistance level we've been struggling with here at 34 cents. And at 34 cents is a very strong level. I mean, this whole level between 33.3 cents and 34 cents, that's the main resistance level I was talking about. It got that 382 and then 0.5 fib of the last bearish or the last Fibonacci level there. Apart from that, also the 100 EMA, and it just all together, it's a very strong level. So that's the level we would need to break if we actually want to get more bullish. If we don't, we're just going to stay consolidated on the short term. But I think that we actually got a big chance of breaking that. I think it's going to take some more days, like 2-3 more days. But after we actually get that trend line in, and if we've just stayed above this level for a little bit longer, I think we got enough momentum to actually break above 34 cents. And once we're above 34 cents, I think we'll still find resistance at 35 cents, but at least then we can take that break retest off of 34 cents and move up all the way to 36.5 cents, I think. And something that would need to happen too, if you would want this to happen, I think, is Bitcoin going up towards 22,000. So the chance that Bitcoin will hit 22,000 is a little bit lower. But I definitely think that Bitcoin has the possibility in the next few days to hit 21,700. That's the main resistance level, just under 22,000. And usually I call that the 22,000 level. So if that happens, and I actually think that's going to happen, that's my opinion. I could definitely be wrong, but if that happens, I think we're breaking out of 34 cents and getting up to the 36.5 cents level. And I think from that level, just to prepare a little bit, I think from there we'll actually reject pretty hard. But that doesn't mean that we cannot get any higher than that, but just on the short term. And initially, I think we'll find resistance off of that, but we definitely have the possibility to retain some bullish momentum and to break it later on. So yeah, that's basically my take on XRP for now. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.